Hi, in today's video we're going to talk about the polyamide hardener. For curing epoxy prepolymers we use molecules called amides. Polyamides comes from poly, meaning many, and amides, which is the functional group. This functional group consists of a nitrogen atom bonded to hydrogens. This nitrogen has a partial negative charge, and the hydrogens have a positive partial charge. This nitrogen feels a strong electric attraction to the partial positive carbon in the epoxy group and will attack and bond to it. This molecule is ideal to use it as a hardener because it has a very strong, it acts as a very strong nucleophile, meaning it is small and agile, and it also has a considerable negative charge. This is Cosmos Coatings. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.